are going to try their OG matcha and yung ube matcha nila. So I think that's their best seller daw. So they're from Boracay, I think. Meron din silang matcha coffee. May coffee din dito, guys. Yay! We got it! Let's try yung ube. I love their ube. Yung ube foam sa taas. Ang sarap. Masarap yung ube foam nila. This one's Uchi matcha latte. The color is colored. But let's taste it. Not sure. Hindi kasi oat yung gamit eh. So medyo hindi ako sanay. If you guys are into sweet matcha, I do not suggest yung Uji matcha latte nila. Because it's like, it's pure latte lang talaga. I think wala siya masyadong sweetener. Anyway, this one's 215 pesos. Kind of expensive. And then this ube matcha latte. And this one's 220 pesos. Fair price for ube matcha. Kasi mahirap gawin. I tried doing it. Mahirap siya gawin. I love it. Anyway, their store is located dito sa 3rd floor ng One Ayala. Naka-soft opening pa lang sila. So, you might as well try their drinks. Try nyo yung mga hindi ko na-try. Baka naman better siya, no? Check nyo na lang sa Glorieta kung may event doon. Kasi minsan may mga pop-ups doon yung mga matcha slow bars na kilala ko. Try nyo rin. Usually naman may bazaar dyan sa Glorieta sa activity center. Next natin gagawin, I'll go to DJI. I'll try to buy a microphone. Kasi nakikita nyo wala akong mic mo. Ayun. I'll try to buy that. If not, try kong bumili ng Action 6. So ngayon kasi naka-DJI ako and try natin yung Action 6. As a child, camera talaga yung hyperfixation ko na hindi ko nakuha. So I guess doon nagsistart din yung pagiging collector ko ng camera. From film cameras, nagkaroon din ako ng interest sa film. Tapos naging expensive lang kasi yung film mismo. So tinigil natin kasi magiging additional expense siya sa atin, no? From the film pa lang hanggang sa pag-develop, magpapaprint, mahal. So, ayun. Target ko next ay Action Cam and from DJI din. Kasi maganda yung quality niya talaga compared to other action cameras. Tapos maganda rin ang service center ng DJI. Hindi siya nowhere to be found. Actually, malapit lang siya sa bahay namin. Pero never pa ako nagpa service center ng DJI. Itong Osmo ko, ang tagal na nito. Yung Nano ko, hindi pa naman siya naglolo ko. Like sinasabi ng iba, sumasabog daw yung Nano nila. Sa akin naman, trinay ko siya ng matagal. Hindi naman nakapag-Taiwan pa yun. So, ayun lang guys. I'll see you guys later. Bye! Yun yung DJI guys. Let's go! As you can see, nasa Glorieta na tayo. Dito na tayo because walang stock. Leche. So, we'll try to find stock sa mga... There are several stores na nagbebenta ng camera dito. No? Let's see. Sana may makita tayo. Bago sa feeling mag-vlog guys because di ko na ulit ito nagawa. Like simula after college, parang di na ako nakapag-vlog ng maayos. Ito guys yung bazaar na sinasabi ko. So, for example ngayon, meron silang Easter Horizon Market. So, check nyo na lang din dyan kung may mga matcha store. Most probably meron. Anyways, ayan, nandito tayo ngayon sa may mga tech to find kung ano yung nahanap natin. Let's go. guys, wala talagang stocks. Even yung mga wireless microphones, wala silang stocks. I think sa Green Hills may stocks. Last na natin tong altitude, guys. Let's see. So wala, yo. Wala tayong nahanap. Hindi tayo nagwagi. Galing kami na camera house and then we went to Henry's and then last nga yung altitude. Wala din eh. Dito guys, may DJI sila mic 3. Hello, sound check. Hello, sound check, sound check. Hey guys! Hello! I'm back. So, kita nyo naman, nagwagi tayo because hawak ko na yung microphone. Hindi ako nagwagi sa Action 6 because wala pa ring stock. Ang tagal na natin hinahanap yun. Even online, wala siyang stock. So, let's just wait for that. But for now, I've successfully bought yung bago kong DJI mic. So, we went for DJI mic 3 na standard lang. Because, hindi ko naman need nung set. I don't need a set. So we are currently here sa SM. Dito tayo sa may Krispy Kreme. I don't know kung naririnig nyo si Taylor Swift na nagpa-perform kasi siya now. Sana hindi. So let's check din and test kung okay yung nito, yung noise cancellation. Especially for music, no? Kasi nakaka-copyright yan. Especially kung sa YouTube ko nga siya i-upload. Even sa TikTok, I think nakaka-copyright siya. Let's just focus muna sa kung anong meron, which is ito. And then, soon, baka sa country na next na pupuntahan natin, dun tayo makabili ng action cam. Pero yun nga, it's not a priority as of now. Ang prior natin ay marinig tayo kapag nagta-travel. So ito, dala ko pa rin yung ube matcha from Fiesta Cafe. And then, we are going to eat original glaze. There. Yum! I'll try to get back sa content creation because January fucked me up real bad na disorient tayo, in all ways. Baka hindi ko to maubos eh because I'm limiting my sweet intake, you guys. By the way, nabili natin yung mic, etong mic sa Infomax. It's a reseller din, pero medyo mas mahal sila. Mas may patong sila. Pero I get it na may stock sila. Kasi may patong sila, no? Kung meron namang walang patong around the area, di ba? Why not? By the way, i-rate natin yung ba't mo i-rate? I-rate natin yung matcha ng Fiesta Souvenir Cafe. So, Fiesta Souvenir Cafe is a boutique na nagkaroon ng cafe sa loob niya, no? So, it's nice na makikita mo yung mga damit-damit na Filipino kemerut na damit sa loob. Actually, may mga magaganda silang pieces and t-shirts. Going back, I rate ko yung ube matcha nila ng siguro 8 or 9. 8.5, sige. Because for me, it's a great balance ng ube at saka matcha. It blends really well. Unlike dun sa nila. Another one na tinaste natin ay yung Uji Matcha Latte. So, that's on a low tier. For me, I'd give that siguro nasa 5 or 4 na rating sa lahat na natikman kong matcha latte. Because I think their take on matcha latte is really pure and it's papunta ng walang lasa. Parang ganon. I'm not sure, baka yung OG matcha latte lang. You can guys try it and then correct me if I'm wrong, pero that's based on my preference and I like my matcha. Still a little sweet. Medyo nasa, yun nga, umami. Yung umami niya, that's what I'm looking for. And if you can't provide that, I guess nandun kayo sa low tier. Nawala yung umami ng matcha din eh. So, but it's good for, if wala ka ng choice. So, dapat mag-fat seed kami. We've eaten there once. Pero like, na-disappoint kasi kami. Kaya medyo, ang hirap ibalik nung tiwala. Kasi yung unang kain namin doon, super oily nung natikman namin na food. Tapos ang mahal-mahal nila, diba? Tapos I'm checking out their menu ngayon. Di siya makatarungan. Like, especially in this economy. Mag-Jolly Jeep na lang kaya ka. Uy, masarap pala mag Jolly Jeep, guys. Na-try ko na siya. Enjoy naman ako dun sa gulay na binili ko sa kanila. Saka itlog. Sana may ganun sa BGC kasi mura eh. Hey guys, so dito tayo ngayon sa Crazy Garlic sa One Ayala pa rin. So we are back. We ordered a meal. Tapos, order din ako ng blended drink nila. Yun yung term nila. It's called Good Vibes. Meron siyang cucumber, turnip, apple, and then honey garlic. Yeah, I hope na masarap siya, no? Magpa-plan din kasi kami ng hitting two birds with one stone na kami. Dinner tsaka place to plan our next trip because it's in a month. We'll be out of the country again in a month. So we are going to another Southeast Asian country that we haven't been to. Tapos wala pa kami sa kalahati ng namin itinerary. Wait lang, pakita ko sa inyo. Pasilip ko lang. Ito lang siya, guys. Yan. Wala pa kami sa kalahati. We'll be in this country for 7 days. 6 days actually, including the travel na yung 7 days. Actually, medyo nahirapan ako mag-plan for this trip because everything is just around the area, you know. Parang hindi mo need mag-plan ng time because, ayun nga, magkakalapit lang sila. Baka madaanan mo lang bigla yung nasa itinerary mo, ganun. Unlike sa, for example, sa Bangkok, sa Taiwan. Sa Bangkok lalo kasi sa Bangkok, magkakalayo. Tapos, yung biyahe mo, akala mo 10 minutes lang. Gugulat ka, 30 minutes ka nang nasa motor. Actually, ganun yung napansin ko sa sa Bangkok. Pero maganda lang rin sa Bangkok, may train system din silang maayos. Tapos, napapadali kahit papaano yung transfers, yung commute. Unlike dito sa next naming pupuntahan. Medyo may kaguluhan din siya. So it's an extra challenge din kasi hindi mo alam kung imomotor mo pa ba to, itatrike ko pa ba to, or lalakarin na lang. Pero most of this, sa pace of day 1 namin, parang lakad pa lang yung major transpo namin. Parang laging walk. We'll finish this and then we'll stay here na medyo matagal. Alam niyo ba, masarap dito sa Crazy Garlic. Natikman namin siya one time accidentally. Actually, not accidentally. Intentionally naman namin siyang pinuntahan. Pero accidental lang kasi namin siyang nakita na meron na palang branch dito. Tapos parang nakita namin yung interior design nung branch nila dito sa One Ayala. It's very chic. It's so cute. That's why trinay namin. Tingnan niyo, guys. This is the Good Vibes, guys. Yay! Work. By the way, meron silang dito. Meron silang complimentary na mga pandesal. Favorite ko dito yung salad nila, guys, na KG salad. It's one of the best salads that I've ever tasted. Kasi siya, very Pinoy yung lasa ng sauce nila. It's not Caesar, it's not just your plain salad dressing. It's their own made salad dressing and super sarap niya. You guys should try that. Tapos etong Good Vibes, hindi to cocktail or mocktail, it's just a blended drink. Thank you. So let's try ito. Para siyang may sipa dahil sa garlic, I think. And then meron silang pandesal. I'll show you guys. There, may pandesal silang complimentary, and then this is one of our orders. It's one of their appetizers. This is called Lieutenant Colonels. Yun yung nila, tawag nila dyan. And then their Four Seasons. Masarap din yan. It's not too sweet. It's for the millennials. Anyway, I'll get back to you guys kapag may progress na tayo, and then if may kakainin na tayo because manghihingi lang po ako because as you know, hindi ako nagfo-full meal na. I do not eat rice anymore. Hindi ako napapansin nyo. Papansin kayo kung napapansin nyo. Ayan, guys, nandito na si Ariana Grande. Tangaina. Naririnig nyo ba siya? Kimi. Nandito na yung ating entree. So this is their pork chop version with a garlic rice, and then meron silang parang, ayun, may masarap silang atsara. I think self-made din nila yan. Self-made? Baka oi. Ayun, sige guys, I'll just do a montage. Bye, y'all. Hey guys, so tapos na yung dinner natin, and we are currently here sa MNLA just to check an item kasi we've been checking for this shirt Kasi mukhang wala pa rin silang stocks here. And even sa sa ibang branches nila eh. Yeah, after this, we'll just roam around, check some items, and then check some stores, and then we'll go home na. Malolobat na rin tong camera ko, so I'll just update you guys when I can. Bye! Yeah, siguro dito ko na-end yung video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, like nyo siya. Comment anything that you'd like to comment, that you'd like to say. Super tagal nating nagpahinga, no, from uploading sa YouTube because I was just too occupied with life. I was working really hard, and if you like to consume other medias from me, you can follow me on my Instagram for my photos, TikTok for some clips. And some videos that I edit, dun ko rin na-upload. Especially mga short form videos lang. Mga montage ng Taiwan trip, ng Bangkok. Nasa TikTok ko ata yan. So I'll try my best to edit yung next trip ko. Yeah, ayun lang. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope na you like this video. And I'm praying na makontinue natin ulit yung fire sa media, sa creative, because masyado na tayo na-focus sa technical path. No, if you guys don't know, I'm an IT person. I'm a software engineer right now. Medyo dumadami yung responsibilities, so I'd like to focus again on what I love to do than on what I am required to do. Kasi nakakapagod siya. Ayun lang guys. I hope you stay healthy, safe. See you guys again on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye!